Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do cleaning and deep cleaning on a Canon TS6351. Now I'm going to keep the light nice and low when I'm close to the screen just to avoid as much flicker as possible. So we press OK to go into the menu, and then we use the arrows here to go down to maintenance. Once on maintenance, press OK again, and then you've got two options here. You've got cleaning and deep cleaning. Now how cleaning works on this particular printer is the machine itself will flush ink through the printer's printhead, dislodging anything that's dried in there and hopefully improving the quality of your prints. I've only got a very minor issue, so I'm going to select cleaning. If you've got some more severe or even blank prints coming out, then I would recommend going for deep cleaning and giving it a couple goes if necessary. So we press OK, OK again. Now this will take your machine just a few minutes. When it's working on things, you'll have this pulsing bar. And this will take just a minute. Now with that finished, you've got the opportunity to do a nozzle check from the printer itself, which you can do just with OK and up and down. So I would recommend that as the next step, just to see the results of your clean, and you keep going like that if the result doesn't look as desired until you've cleaned that up and can carry on printing happily. But I hope you found that useful. If you have, please do give us a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.